in this example, I am first of all going to search Ahmedabad's location in Google Earth. So I have this Google Earth Pro where I have searched Ahmedabad location, and now I am getting that location. I am zooming in because I want to capture only selected portion. So after zooming in, you can copy only that part which you want to save as image file. So I have selected some portion of Ahmedabad, and now I am pasting it into Paintbrush. After pasting it into Paintbrush, you can crop the area which is required, so unnecessary part from the image will be removed. So as you can see, I have cropped this area. And now I have this image file of Ahmedabad city, which I am saving with the name Ahmedabad underscore satellite underscore raster. And you can select the folder where you want to save it. So it's a PNG file which I have saved. Now what I want to do, I want to give georeference to this image file. So to give georeference, we'll require some map with the coordinate system. So first of all, I'm going to add some map which has coordinate system. So I'm adding one vector layer. You can select any shapefile which you want to add. So I'm adding shapefile of highways of Gujarat. So this is a map with the coordinate system. So as you can see, when I move my cursor, it will change the coordinates in the coordinate text box which is displayed below. Now I am zooming in this because I want to align that Ahmedabad's image on this particular map. So in short, I want to give georeference to the image file of Ahmedabad which I have saved, right? So that it can be aligned with Ahmedabad on any map, irrespective of map. It will be aligned with all the maps which have coordinate system. So this is just a map which I have taken for reference, okay, because it has coordinates, that's why. And after that georeference is completed, you can use that image file which is now georeferenced in some other project also. So now what I am doing, I have opened the georeference from the menu, and now I am selecting that file, image file which I have saved. Okay, so that image file is Ahmedabad underscore satellite underscore raster. So I am selecting that file. Okay, now this is an image file to which I want to give georeference. So an image file will have to give reference of coordinates, okay, at least 2 coordinates are required, right? So you need to click somewhere on the map, and then it will ask for the coordinates. So those coordinates you can take from the vector data from this map. Okay, so I have taken one coordinate and this is the second coordinate which I am putting on the image. Then I am taking third coordinate. So if your coordinates are appropriate, it will do georeferencing very accurately, right? So with accuracy it will do it. And after putting these points, you can click on georeference. So now georeferencing is done. Okay, so as you can see, there is start georeferencing which you can select, and then after it is done you can close the file. So this is an image file, or you can say it's a raster file of Ahmedabad, which is now aligned with the map of Gujarat, but with Ahmedabad part only, right? So if you want to see whether it is done properly or not, you can make it transparent so that you can see the alignment, right? So as you can see, it is aligned properly with the map of Gujarat. So now if you zoom in or zoom out, both this maps, vector and raster, will be zoom in and zoom out together. Okay, so now this image file also have georeferencing. It also has coordinate system, right? So each and every point on this image will have some coordinates.